In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to back up your Notion pages step by step. This is something every Notion user should be doing, whether you're using Notion for personal notes, business systems, project management, or financial tracking. Backing up your data ensures you always have a copy saved locally, even if something changes or gets deleted accidentally. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, and it only takes a couple of minutes. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you, and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Notion and navigate to the specific page you want to back up. This can be a single document, a database, or an entire workspace page. Make sure you're on the page itself, not just viewing it inside another page, so the export option works correctly. Once the page is open and loaded, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the three-dot menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the Page Settings menu. This menu contains several options related to sharing, locking, page history, and exporting your content. From the drop-down menu, click on the option that says Export. This will open the Export Settings window. This is where you decide how you want your Notion backup to be saved. In the Export window, you'll see different format options. You can choose formats like PDF, HTML, or Markdown, depending on how you plan to use the backup. If you want something easy to read and share, PDF is usually the best choice. If you want something more flexible for editing or storing long-term, HTML or Markdown may be better. You can also choose whether to include subpages, which is important if your page contains nested content. After selecting your preferred format and settings, click the Export button. Notion will then prepare your file. Depending on the size of the page or how many subpages are included, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the export is ready, the file will automatically download to your computer. Save this file in a secure location, such as a cloud drive or an external hard drive, so you always have access to your backup when you need it. And that's it. You've successfully backed up your Notion page. You can repeat this process for other important pages or databases to make sure all your critical information is safely stored outside of Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.